S&P 500 and Nasdaq have gone down so much. If you bought this, what should you do? Should you sell right now, or should you wait, or should you buy more? Today, I will give you my insights and will teach you how to see the signal. So welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to make more money. If you want to learn more and earn more, click like and subscribe and share with your friend. Stay until the end of the video. So today I will go through the Nasdaq, S&P, and Tesla and Apple. So click like, subscribe, and share with your friends. So now we start as Nasdaq. This is the daily chart. So this is my own indicator, exclusive. You can subscribe it by month or by year. Now I'm doing a promotion. So click the link below in the description. You can subscribe it. So it's very easy indicator. The blue line can tell us a trend. The red line is go with the stock closely, okay, and also can tell us the strength of the stock, okay. And okay, so far, so I have told you when this line going downward, this is a downward trend. Do we hold any stock when this is downward? Basically no. So what happened is, this is Nasdaq, this is still downward, so I mean we are still in the downward trend, and even the stock go below this red line. So the red line, so blue line is above, then the red line is below the blue line, and then the stock is below this red line. So what is going on with Nasdaq? I mean, this is a weak trend and this is going downward, okay? We don't have any buying signal yet, okay? So what happened is, if you're a short-term trader, maybe you sold at this point because they drop one candle drop below both line, okay? Another thing I want to remind you, which I was quite surprised also. So I've mentioned you, this is the support, right? This one. And somehow yesterday they dropped below this support, okay? And now where is the next support? So basically is this candle. The next support here is 13161 for Nasdaq. 13161. This is the low point of this candle. But I want to remind you, is it the, if you're holding Nasdaq, should we be worried? Should we sell today? I want to remind you the RSI here. So look at here, the RSI every time when they hit around this level, basically around 30 to 33, this level, they will bounce up. Okay, so basically we are in this zone and we have a support here. So basically better not to drop below this, otherwise I will have a more going down, okay? But so far we are about to hit this line. I would say Friday or Monday, okay? So this Friday or Monday. So you need to have a look here. So the RSI is very easy indicator and free indicator, and this is my indicator, YM cheapest. So basically you can see the funding is going out. This is the trend of the fund, and the red one mean organization, and we are going down. You see the purple line is going downward. Another thing I want to remind you is the peak of this red bar. Is it going downward? Yes. You see the peak of the red is going downward. So you mean the fund is going out. Okay. This is a short term. This is called YM bypass. YM big buy basically. Basically it is track the big volume order. Okay. So basically we are below zero, and then the selling power is more, the selling order is more than the buying order. Okay. So basically it's for the big volume trade, this one. Okay, so now we go to, so basically I would say Monday and tomorrow basically. Okay, so and the next one, S&P 500, and look at here, you can see it's very similar, right? So the blue go downward, the red go downward, the stock go below this red, so it's weak. But what I want you to check is this line. You see this line, we are hitting this line, the bottom here, and the RSI basically is more clear. You see this one, the RSI when they hit 34, this is usually they will have a rebounds. Remember, I say rebounds because the blue line is going downward. So I think this is a rebound and then they will go down again. This is what I think. So this is, I want to tell you what the chart tell us, okay? The chart telling us this is still a downtrend, okay? So you need some indicator to see this. Of course, if you know how to read the volume, if you know how to read the candle, you can also do this. What is important is you learn before you earn, and you have to have your own strategy. Okay, the next one I want you to check is the YM cheapest here. It's the same thing. The purple line is the moving average of the red bar is going downward, and the red bar is lower and lower. Okay, rather than here, when it's going up, it's higher, 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 and it's keep very high, always above 75. And now we are around 50, basically. Okay, so basically it means very, very weak. Okay, so you need to be careful. And this would be a rebound also. Okay, rebounds here. If you check 4 hours chart, basically you will also see this is already under RSI under 30. And once they go above 30, we will hit the rebound. Okay, this is 4 hour chart. So we are now here. It's possible tomorrow, which is Friday, or on Monday, they will go up because they hit the support also. They hit the support. So the good point is they go up again rather than they drop through the support to the next support. Okay, so this is 4 hour chart. The next one I want to show you is this is you remember here, I also have a video to talk about Bollinger Band, and I have told you how to read this one. So I will put the video link in the end of this video. So you can click it, rewatch it to learn it again, what is going on with the Bollinger Band. So this is S&P 500. So you can see here, the mouth is opening up. Is it? So you mean something will go on, with something will speed up. And the orange line is, hello, turning downward. So you need to be careful. This means this is a downward trend. This means this is a downward trend, just like here. Mouth opening up and the orange line is going downward. It means this is a downward trend. But how much downward? Okay, compared to this mouth and this mouth, they have some different. The mouth, this is more narrow than this one. So more narrow is more powerful. Okay, like here, when they more narrow and then they go for a while, it's very powerful to go to the orange line direction. Okay, and so far this is still okay. It's not too narrow, this channel. So, but what I want to remind you is when they have the rebounds in the last one I have mentioned, but we will have a rebound rather than to have a big raise, right? You can see this orange line as a resistance. You can see this line as a resistance. Just like here, they hit, they come down. They hit again, they go above. It's possible we go this way. Okay, for example, here, they come down, and then they hit again as resistance, and then they come down again, they need a stronger momentum to go up and go again. Okay, it is possible. I've mentioned you, actually I've mentioned, I think more than 3 video, mentioned you this month would be quite tricky, would be sideways. So you need to be careful about, you see how it goes, it's like a sideways, okay? So learn before you earn, okay? So this is the S&P 500. The next one I'm going to talk about is my favorite stock, Tesla. So what's going on in Tesla? So back to this point, the index, we have the blue line, the direction, remember, is going downward. Okay, so what is the what does it tell us? It means the index is going quite weak. And if you want to invest, look for some strong stock to invest. How to know this is a strong stock? You can check my indicator with the direction of this blue line. Just find the blue line going upward one and then find the opportunity to buy. First, you need to choose which stock is going upward. Okay, if you choose downward, you see it's always going down. Okay, because of the resistance. So if you go upward, you just hold the stock and it's very comfortable. Okay, so now Tesla, upward or downward? Upward. Okay, so what's going on with Tesla? Basically, Tesla, I have mentioned in my video also, we have a gap here. This is a resistance, and basically we raise all the way to the resistance, to this gap area, and then they come down again. Okay, so I told you in the last Tesla update about we will need some time to battle this zone and then to go up. Okay, I want to show you something is this candle and this candle. What's going on is this candle have RSI over 30. Okay, I want to show you is this is something new. I never told on the public YouTube. I think this is quite good things to talk. So this candle, this one, you see this one, the green one after this. So basically look at here. The RSI, when they just go above 30, this candle is critical. When they go above this one, this candle, when they drop, when the price continue to drop, it will go down. If the price can break through this zone, go up, this one will form a zone area like a support also. So you see? So now we are above this zone. And what's going on with up here? Up here, we have a gap here, remember? So a gap. So we have a gap and we have another zone. I use another color. I change color of this one. Not sure I can change color. Oh, but anyway, this one is the gap zone, right? This is a resistance. And we have one thing. This is the RSI. RSI drop below 70. Which candle is it? So which is when they drop below, right below 7. This one 70.63. So the drop below is here, this candle. And this candle is also, it formed like something like this. So basically, I've mentioned September is like a sidewalk, the up, down, up, down, up, down trend. So now we will go this, go this, go this, go this, and we battle a little bit, and then before we go all the way up, okay? So you need to bear with this. And where is the next support for Tesla? So the next support would be, yeah, this is quite cool. Okay, there's a gap here on this candle. Support would be here. On 8th of September, we have a gap up, okay? So this, the lowest area of this gap, I mean the highest of this candle, is the support. So we are just closing above it. The support is 256.86. Okay, so this is the support. So it's quite crazy. We are just closing above it, and let's see how it goes today. Okay, so but the good thing is the blue line is still going upward and the stock is still above this blue line. Okay, but what I want to be a bit careful is this purple line. I mean this zone, we are going under this purple line. The red bar is under this purple line, so you need to be careful. Would be fluctuating here. And for short term, this indicator show the red bar, which is the selling order, more than the green bar, which is the buying power. This is big order, okay? And we are going below 0. So this stock is quite weak. But again, I think Friday or next Monday would be, there's a rebound for the index. So let's see how Tesla go. Okay, so the next one I want to chat with you is Apple. I've mentioned so many times about Apple. Basically, we trade few times, and even I predict a peak here. I have a way to predict a peak with the pattern of this. Okay, so we are going to copy the same strategy for Tesla. So we are still waiting the Tesla to form this kind of basically, if you look at Tesla shape in weekly chart, I've mentioned you. I don't want to repeat here, but quick, make it short is Tesla is about to form this kind of pattern. like Apple in weekly chart. So you can do your homework to check the weekly chart for Tesla. What's going on? You try it. And I also post a video. In the end, you can check the answer. Okay, I haven't told you the prediction price because you haven't finished the form. The form is not complete, so I don't want to give you the prediction price. When the form complete, then I can give you the prediction price. So the next, okay, so for Apple, the blue line is going downward. Should we hold the stock? No, because it's going downward. And you look at this chips bus indicator. You see, we have already the green chips. Green chips mean locker chips, like individual. Basically, they got locked. So they bought higher price and then they got locked. Okay. So, and then you see the purple line is very stably, they're going downward. Okay. So basically, Apple, you even see here, is below zero and they flash a red candle. I mean, in short term, at least this is so long term, it's going down. For short term, it's also going down. And this is the trend. And the trend is the organization is leaving this stock. Okay. So this is the update for Nasdaq S&P 500 and Apple stock. So I hope you like it. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. If you want to learn more, you can join my complete course. I put the link in the description, or you can subscribe to my indicator bundle, which can tell you a few things, this, and this, and I will have more indicator. And you just subscribe it right now, and then when I have a new one, I will just email you. So I see you in the next video. Everyone have a good day. See you. Bye-bye.